to my channel. Today I'm making my favorite dish. It's eggplant rolls. Eggplant rolls is my favorite appetizer you can have on your table. I keep making it over and over again. It looks stunning and a top winner on your party table. And the most important, it's so easy to make, it won't take you more than half an hour. Let's get started.
First step would be to take our eggplant and cut the end right off. So now I'm going to cut it into thin slices, just about half a centimeter thick. I'm going to cut more slices of this, and here we go. Look at that! It's perfect. This is a perfect slice. Lay out the eggplant slices on a baking sheet so they do not overlap and can cook evenly. Spray with olive oil and season with salt and pepper. So now I'm going to pop it into a 200 degrees oven for about 20 minutes. In the meantime, when the eggplant cooks, we are going to prepare the stuffing for the eggplant rolls. Sliced tomatoes, just make sure they are not too big, slices are not too big, and you can roll this slice in an eggplant roll. The next step would be preparing the garlic mayo. You would need 2 cloves of garlic, peel it and squash it. Then add a bit of salt and mayo and mix it all together. Chop spring onion, chop, 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 chop. The sesame seeds and spring onion stalk we would use for our rolls decoration. Checking my eggplants, so they look really soft, and I think it's time to remove them from the oven. So now what I do, I will spread my garlic mayo right in the middle of the eggplant. And you're gonna spread it out. So now I place my slice of tomato and a chopped spring onion, And now I start and do a simple roll. To secure the neat roll, I am using a green spring onion to tie them together, and I am making a bow. Alternatively, you can just secure the top with a toothpick. Perfect roll right there, gorgeous, isn't it? And I am going to assemble the rest of my rolls same way. And finally, sprinkle sesame seeds over the rolls and enjoy it.